This is the new Kqi3Pro electric kick scooter. Now, this scooter has some pretty awesome features for its price point. Right now, as of June 2023, it's on sale for $559, which makes it a great deal for the quality. This scooter can go up to 31 miles on a full 6-hour charge with a max rider weight of 265 pounds. Clocking in at a top speed of 20 miles an hour, it's a comfortable ride with wider handlebars, deck, and fatter wheels than other adult kick scooters. The 9.5-inch rubber pneumatic tires have excellent shock absorption, making it feel extra smooth. The Kqi3Pro has a triple braking system with brake lights and a high-powered halo headlight, making it feel safe to ride even in the dark. There are 4 different riding modes that can be controlled by the LED dashboard and on the Bluetooth connected app. The app also allows easy access to check battery life, cruise control, locking functions, and general stats. This compact scooter can fold down with ease, weighing in at 44 pounds, making it light enough to take with you wherever you go. Look what we just got. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this electric scooter, and let's check it out. Ooh. A new way forward. So here's what we have right out of the box. This is the charger for show. Oh, holy shit, that was a clusterfuck. Damn, my brand new whip. All right, let's try to get this up. Easy. So if you can see, there are 2 screws on the side and 2 screws on the other side that I'm sure hold the handlebar in place. So I'm just gonna put those in. They conveniently added. I am assuming that this is the charger, and I definitely want to try and take it out this evening, so I do want to try and get that on the charger. You can see the charging port right here, and I'm going to go ahead and get that on the charger. And I'm going to go ahead and get that on the charger so we can possibly take it out tonight. It came with this also to pump up the tires. And the handlebars were super easy to lock into place. You pretty much just pull up on this, and this latch comes down, and then there's a secondary latch that you pull, and it just folds straight down. So to put it up, it just pretty much clicks like that, and it's super nice. So when I plugged it in, this light that was green turned red, so that does mean that it is not fully charged yet. Obviously, it just came out of the box, but I could just be talking out of my ass. I didn't even read that. So, confirm that the device will power on and off after assembly. All right, it says long press the power button to turn on and off the device. So let's go ahead and try to long press it. Alright, I almost didn't even want to show this, but this might help somebody not make a rookie mistake like I just did. So in excitement of putting it together, I just went ahead and I threw this on there. However, I did not see that there was a cord like this stuffed into the handlebar. So we need to take that and connect it to this one. So that might be the reason why there's no power. All right, and now that I've got all that put back together, here we go, moment of truth. And it was my mistake. Ready for some satisfactory sticker peeling? Alright, so we're going to do the tutorial to get it out of e-save mode. So it says squeeze the left brake lever, squeeze the right brake, and then press the accelerator. Alright, after riding for 200 meters, the vehicle will unlock sport mode. We just completed the ride to be able to get it out of e-save mode, so you just click the button once, and it takes it out of e-save, so you can go the max speed, supposedly. So let's see how fast. That really takes off quick. As far as brakes go, I feel like if I hit them, I potentially could fly over the handlebars. They're really good. Oh, there's those nasty bird scooters. I barely pedaled like half a push and it got to going. Whereas when we tried the bird scooters, I was sitting here like pedaling 3 or 4 times to try and get across the intersection with cars coming at me. So this one you feel like you could trust.
I trust you.
Look at how close that was to your feet. Whoop, whoop.
You feel the breeze
that I don't have to pedal my bike for. I like how slowly you can go to this. It gets down to like 2, 3, 4 before it cuts out, but it makes it really easy to maneuver around stuff when you can get down that slow speed. So I'm just trying to figure out the cruise control really quick. Let's see, when you turn it on, while riding, the vehicle will reach a certain speed and stabilize at this for 5 seconds. Buzzer will notify. When you release the accelerator, the vehicle will cruise at the current speed. So the cruise control mode ends when you operate the accelerator, brake, or switch gears again. So that's pretty easy. So you can just pretty much find a spot that you like and then hold the accelerator, and then it sounds really easy to get out of. So after doing the cruise like 1 or 2 times, it's actually a lot easier once you kind of get the hang of it. The first time I was a little confused, but there's like the lightest beep when it sets cruise, but if you're not really listening, you can't really hear it. But it's kind of nice because if you're just already holding the same speed right there anyways, it just does it automatically. That was good?
Oh yeah.
And then you can just hit the brakes. Baby, you're going faster than me! Just let my finger off the brake, off the acceleration, and I didn't even realize because I was going 20 that whole time, I was set on cruise, so I kind of panicked when I let my thumb off the gas, that it was stuck at, I was like, why am I not stopping?
Would you say that's a con against that?
No, I wouldn't. I would say that was user error, that I just forgot about cruise. And I could have hit the brakes, but I was just coasting. So having the app on your phone, I feel like is really nice because it makes it super easy to check your battery life. So we've been riding for a while. So we've been riding for an hour, pretty much straight with a couple stops. And I still have 23 miles and 73 battery percent left. So I would say that's really good. After riding my Kqi3Pro for about a week, I really love it. I've only ridden a bird scooter before, so this is only the second scooter I've rode. However, I do really like it. It feels really comfortable. I've tried Craig's electric skateboard before, and I do not like that as much. I'm not as comfortable. I do like that this has physical handlebars that you can hold on to. So there is a non-zero start setting where you have to push to start, and you have to get up to like the speed 3 before you can actually push the accelerator and take off. I did turn that off. I do prefer it. I do prefer it a little bit more. So you pretty much just step on and then you can go right from 0. I really like the cruise control functionality. It's really nice that you don't have to hold the accelerator the whole time with your thumb. And it gives you a little bit more freedom with your hands, which I prefer. I do think these electric scooters are really nice if you live in the city or somewhere where you have kind of nice roads, but even where we're at, the roads are kind of garbage, so it handles the bumps and the uneven roads really smoothly. Overall, great scooter. I would give it a 10 out of 10. I think the only thing that's not my favorite is how easy it disconnects Bluetooth from the app. So every time you turn your phone on, you have to connect the Bluetooth to the scooter again, which is not a big deal, but that would be the only con that I've noticed over the week. If you're thinking about getting an electric scooter, drop a scooter emoji in the comments. And if you have a scooter, comment scooter gang. Actually, you probably can't say that, can you?